Chapter 2. Our Senses. Ponder a while. Do you know of people who are hard of hearing? Are many of them old? Do you have any friends who cannot hear, see as well? Nature Walk. On a Sunday evening, Aman and his little sister Eva were getting bored. Their grandma came and asked, "Why don't you go to the new park nearby?" Aman and Eva thought it to be a great idea. They went to the new park. They saw that nobody was there in the park. Only a girl was there who was sitting and smiling. Aman and Eva went to talk to her. Aman found she was the same girl whom he saw in the school archery team. Aman asked the girl, "I saw you in the school archery team. You are Juhi, right?" She replied, "Yes, I am Juhi." Eva asked Juhi, "Aren't you getting bored?" "We are getting too much bored here. There are no slides and no children in this park. What are you doing here alone?" Juhi answered, "I am enjoying the nature. I can feel it. I can feel the cool breeze touching my face. It feels so good. Why don't you try?" Eva and Aman closed their eyes and started feeling the breeze. "Oh, it's wonderful. I can feel the cool breeze blowing my hair," said Eva. Juhi asked, "Can you smell the wonderful smell of green grass and lovely flowers?" Aman said, "Yes, it smells so good. Strangely, I never ever realized this before." Juhi said, "Shush! Can you hear the sweet song of the birds?" Eva said, "Oh, I can see the birds on the mango tree. These birds are lovely. Their voice of chirping is very sweet." Aman said, "Hey, look! So many mangoes are lying all over the ground. Let us eat and taste them." Juhi and Eva also came under the tree to have some mangoes. All of them enjoyed the sweet taste of mangoes. Aman said, "Eva, we will come here daily. It is a fun place." Suddenly, a branch of tree was about to fall down on Eva. Juhi heard the voice and pulled Eva back and saved her from being injured. Aman said, "Juhi, thank you so much for saving Eva." Juhi said, "You are welcome, dear. I need to go back home now. It is getting late." She took out a stick and black spectacles and wore them. From this they came to know that Juhi was blind. Eva said, "I am sorry to see that you cannot see, but you were the one who saw the branch falling from the tree." Aman said, "You were so good at throwing and fixing the arrows on target in the school archery team." Juhi said, "I can feel my surroundings. I can hear, smell, taste and feel. That is more than enough for me. I am very happy. Life is so beautiful. You should be thankful to the Almighty that you can see the beautiful things around you." Aman said, "I agree. Nature is very beautiful, but we don't value what we have. How we use our sense organs. Our body consists of various parts. Different body parts do different works. To keep us healthy, all the body parts should work properly together. Certain special organs called sense organs, namely nose, eyes, ears, tongue, and skin, help us to know about the surroundings. We have 5 sense organs. Let us understand why they are so special. Nose. When your mother cooks food, you can tell from outside that she is cooking your favorite dish. Have you ever wondered how you can smell that? Well, you can smell using your nose. In the story, Juhi could smell the wonderful smell of green grass and lovely flowers. Eyes. Do you know which part of the body lets you see the wonderful nature around you? It is eyes. In the story, Juhi could not see. She was blind, but she could observe the surroundings by hearing only. Some people who cannot see properly wear a pair of spectacles. Arun and Tina both are blind. They cannot see. Arun's father bought him a special computer with speakers, which helps him to study. Tina uses a special type of book in which dots are raised on paper. It is called Braille. It can be felt by the fingers. Now let us see how we can take care of our eyes. Never rub your eyes. Always wash your eyes properly. Always study or read in bright light. If you are not able to see properly, ask your parents to take you to the eye specialist. Never watch the television from a very small distance. Limit the time of watching television too. Ears. Let us now learn how to listen to your favorite song. Well, we all listen to the sounds by using our ears. In the story, Aman, Eva, and Juhi listened to the sweet song of birds by using their ears. Can you tell where else did Juhi use her sense of hearing? Some people cannot hear properly. They use hearing aid. Some other people are deaf. They cannot hear even with the help of hearing aid. Can you guess how these people communicate despite they are deaf? The deaf people observe lip movements to understand what is being said. This is called lip reading. Some people who are deaf and mute use sign language to communicate with each other. Now let us see how we can take care of our ears. Do not put hairpin or matchstick in the ears to clean them. Always dry your ears with clean towel after taking a bath. Use earbuds to clean them. Tongue. It is time to learn how you are able to taste the sweetness of chocolates, bitterness of medicines, and sour flavor of curd. We all use our tongue to sense the taste of food we eat. In the story, the children could taste the sweetness of mangoes with the help of their tongue. Skin. Do you know how you feel textures of the things? The skin helps us to feel textures of the things we touch. We can feel the blowing air which touches our body. We can feel the hotness and coldness in the weather. In the story, Juhi felt the cool breeze with the help of her skin. We should take care of our skin. We should take a bath daily to keep it clean. Physically challenged people need care.